Find the current directory and files directory. How do I determine the current directory, where I was in the terminal when I ran the Python script, and where the Python file I am executing is?
Current working directory, os.getcwd, and the __file__ attribute can help you find out where the file you are executing is located. This Stack Overflow post explains everything. How do I get the path of the current executed file in Python?
To get the full path to the directory a Python file is contained in, write this in that file. Note that the incantation above won't work if you've already used os.steer to change your current working directory, since the value of the __file__ constant is relative to the current working directory and is not changed by an os.steer call. To get the current working directory, use documentation references for the modules, constants, and functions used above. The os and os.path modules. The __file__ constant. os.path.realPath path returns the canonical path of the specified file name, eliminating any symbolic links encountered in the path. os.path.dirname path returns the directory name of path name path. os.getQuadUD returns a string representing the current working directory. os.steer path change the current working directory to path.
To get the current directory full path, output c \users \admin \myfolder. To get the current directory folder name alone, output myfolder. You may find this useful as a reference.
Do you want to support the channel?